alaikum everyone. Hope you are doing very well and enjoying your summer vacations. I'm your teacher Fliha. I'm teaching you maths and today we are going to learn about counting the objects. The topic is number sense. Okay, can you guess how many pencils I have in my hand? So we will count these pencils. You have to count these pencils with me. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 pencils in my hand. So today we will do the activity of count and write. We will count the objects first and then we will write the number. Okay, my dear ones, let's practice count and write on the worksheet. So here are some beautiful butterflies. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 butterflies here. So here we will write 7. Okay, now we have 3 leaves. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. We will write the number in the box. 3. Let's count how many eggs are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are the 5 eggs. We will write the number in the box like this. Okay, now we have some lollipops here. Do you like the lollipops? Yes, I know you do. So let's count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many lollipops we have? 8. It's too much lollipop. Let's write number 8 here. Okay, here are some footballs with different designs. It's looking beautiful. Can you guess how many footballs we have? Okay, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we have 6 footballs here. Let's write it here. 6. We have done the worksheet. Well done. Okay, now we are moving towards the next activity of count and match. Are you ready? Okay, my dear ones, we have different numbers of dice here. You can see this. So, first we will count the number of these 2 dice. How many numbers we have? Let's count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we have 7 dots here. So we have to find number 7 from here. Can you see number 7 here? Is this number 7? No. Is this number 7? No. Okay, this is the number 7. Now you have to match these dice with the number 7. Okay, let's match it. First we will place the scale and draw a straight line and match it. So let's count the next. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots here and 1, 2, 3 dots here. Let's count it all together. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is number 8. Can you find number 8 here? Is this number 8? No. Is this number 8? Yes, this is number 8. So you have to match this with number 8. Place the scale and draw a straight line like this. Now count these dots with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see number 4 here? Yes, we can see this. Here is number 4 and we will match number 4 with the dots. Now count these dots with me and let's find the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is there any 9 number? Can you see this? Yes, we can see this. So first we will place our scale and draw a line like this. Let's do the next one. So let's count all these dots with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many dots are here? 5. So here is number 5. We will match it We will match the dots with the number 5. Let's do the last one. Okay, now count the dots with me. 1, 2, 3. So where is number 3? Here it is. We will match the dots with number 3 like this. And here we go. We have done this worksheet. And you all have to practice this at home as well. I am your teacher Friha, and today I am going to teach you about what comes before and what comes after. Let's see. We have number 15 here, 1, 5, 15. Now, we all have to guess what comes before number 15. So, let's count from 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, can you guess what comes before 15? It's 13? No, it's number 14. It's number 14. So, 1 for 14 comes before number 15. So, let's do the next activity, which is what comes after. Now, we have to guess the number which comes after. So, here we have number 3. We have number 3. So, let's count from 1 till 3 and see what comes after 3. 1, 2, 3, and what comes after 3? 4. It's 4. Now we are going to do the activity. Let's come with me and do the activity. Okay, my dear ones, let's do the activity of what comes before and what comes after. Here are some yummy apples on this page, you can see, and with some numbers. Okay, so first we will do this side. So here the left side number is missing. It means we have to guess what comes before. First, we have to guess what comes before. So, what is this number in this apple? It's number 5. So, can you guess what comes before 5? It's 3? No. 2? No. It's number 4. 4. Well done. So, here comes number 16. 1, 6, 16. So now this time we have to guess what comes before 16. Is this 17? No, it comes after 16. So what comes before 16? It's number 15. 1, 5, 15. Let's do the next number. What is this number? It's 3, 6, 36. Can you guess what comes before 36? It's 35. 3, 5, 35. Okay, what is this number? 1 to 12. So, what comes before 12? It's 13? No, not 13. It's 11. 1, 1, 11. 11 comes before 12. So, we have done this side. Now, we will do this side. On this side, we have right side number is missing. So, it means we have to guess after numbers. What comes after? What we have to guess? What comes after? So, what is this number? It's 28. 2, 8, 28. So, what comes after 28? It's 29. 2, 9, 29. What is this number? This is 3, 8, 38. So, can you guess what comes after 38? It's 39. 3, 9, 39. Okay, this is 1, 8, 18. And what comes after 18? It's 19. 1, 9, 19. Okay, here we have 26. So, can you guess what comes after 26? 25. No, it's wrong. It's 27. 2, 7, 27. Here we have done our worksheet. First we have done what comes before and then we have done what comes after. The worksheet is done. You all have to do the practice of this worksheet at home. My dear students, let's do another activity of what comes after. So here we have some yummy oranges here. with some numbers. So, what is this first number? Repeat after me. 3. This is 3. Can you guess the number after 3? It's number 4. Write number 4 in the next orange. Okay. What is this number? This is number 19. 19. So, what comes after 19? It's 18. No. We have to guess the number after 19. 19 is the last number of the family of 10. So after the family of 10, which family starts? It's 20's family. So we will write 20. 20. Oh. This is number 8. What comes after 8? It's 9. What comes after 8? It's 9. We have to write 9 here. This is number 12. 1, 2, 12. What comes after 12? Number 13. 1, 3, 13. Okay. Here is number 15. 1, 5, 15. Can you guess what comes after 15? It's 14. No. It's 16. Yes, it is. 1, 6, 16. Well done, everyone. We have done this activity, what comes after. You all have to practice this activity at home. Allah Hafiz, everyone. Take care.